For the first time since the Sarasota County School District decided to form its own police force, district leaders sit down with local law enforcement to hash out school security plans for the upcoming school year. ABC 7's Jess Dowdrick is at the landings tonight to explain what the group decided.
Before the day started, local law enforcement and the school district seemed to be on two completely different pages. That's not the case anymore.
You're confident you're going to have these elementary schools safe and secure by the start of school. You tell me that today.
Tension filled the room. Sarasota County School Superintendent Dr. Todd Bowden couldn't promise Sheriff Tom Knight that the district would have all 21 officers hired and trained for the start of the school year. The timeline being very aggressive.
I anticipate we'll have some officers ready to start the year. Others will come online throughout the year.
Bowden's plan was to fill in the holes with local law enforcement's SROs, like the district did this year after the state passed the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas Public Safety Act, requiring security in all Florida schools. But Sarasota Chief Bernadette DePino, Northport Interim Chief Chris Morales, and Sheriff Knight all agreed if that's the case, they should have been notified months ago.
It's going to be a huge burden on us, but I can't say no to securing children. It will create a service disruption potentially out in communities and neighborhoods. When you take a green and white car out of a neighborhood and put it on a school campus, you're losing that level of service.
The district and local law enforcement finally deciding on a plan to move forward with, so they're all on the same page.
Timing has been the biggest stressor to me, quite honestly. And what I heard this morning is an offer from our local partners to say, let us start the school year in all of your elementary schools, and when your force is ready, you can relieve us of that responsibility.
Even though the superintendent was very aggressive in his mannerisms and comments about not needing the sheriff's office services, I answer to the community, not to the superintendent. And I'm going to make sure the elementary schools are safe.
Today, all of the entities seem to put the cost aside. That's something they plan on figuring out in the near future. Reporting in Sarasota, Jess Dowdrick, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.
Jess, thank you.